This video is about the things to consider while changing a job. Okay? If someone wants to change a job, what he has to see in future job. Okay? I have taken here as example of sales, marketing, or business development job example. So others can take as per their job profile or their KPIs or their goals of the present job to consider things for changing future job. Okay? There are many things to consider to change a job, but in this video I am explaining about the top 6 one must consider to change a job. Okay? The top 6 others may be important for different job profiles. It depends on the job change you need to consider. But so still some points may be there, depends on the designation and profession. So you can choose as per your KPIs. Okay? These are while changing the job, the first thing to consider is business turnover. Means the amount of business you are handling in present job and the amount of the business you are going to handle in future job. Okay? So if you are going to handle more business in future job than the present job, then there is a reason for change. Means you are changing the job for more responsibility or for more business transactions and for more business responsibility. You see that at least 30 to 40% more business you will be handling in future job. Okay? The second point is salary increase. Okay? What is the salary you are getting in this job and what is the salary you are going to get in future job? In this case, you may consider the gross salary or you may consider the net take home. Okay? So now in normal cases, if a good performer will get minimum 5 to 10% increase in salary every year or maybe as per the company policy every 2 years, 3 years. So while changing the job, you must see you are getting at least 15 to 20% increment in the future job. That means you are going for more responsibility and more salary increase. Okay? You are getting the salary increase as per your more responsibility, more business turnover. This is second point. The third point is area handling. Okay? What is the area you are going to handling in the present job and what is the area you are going to handle in the future job? Okay? Because now you are handling 2 states and in future job you are going to handle in 3 states. Which means what? You are going for more business, you are going for more salary, you are going for more area responsibility. So here I will tell you one important point. Present job maybe you are handling 3 states. In future job maybe you will be given 2 states but high turnover, high salary. In that case you can accept because more business is more important, more turnover handling is more big responsibility than more area handling. Okay? This you can consider when you change the job. The fourth point is number of people reporting to you. Suppose in present job there are 10 people reporting to you. In future job there are 15 people will report to you. Means you are going to handle a bigger team than the present company. So handling bigger team means bigger responsibility, leadership and great thing to handle more people and achieve the things. The fifth point is whom you will be going to report. Suppose in present job you are reporting to a man who is responsible half country business. In future job, you are going to report a boss who is responsible for the country's business. Means you are going to report the more authority in future job than the present job. More authority means more business, more responsibility, more knowledge, more knowledge and more maturity. The last sixth point is designation. Why I keep the designation as the last point? Because in some jobs, all 5 points are great, then designation is normal. Example, in some countries, area manager means responsible for one state handling. In some companies, half state handling. And in some companies, total south region, maybe north region, 4 states handling. Okay, so designation is not so important when you consider the first 5 points is the growth compared to previous company. About designation, I will tell you example. I got a job based at Riyadh and the designation is area manager, but handling 14 countries of North and West Africa. Okay, here in other places, area manager means handling only 1 or 2 states. But in this company, area manager designation is handling 14 countries. So you keep the designation at the end, consider first 5 points and then designation. Okay.